Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for the overwhelming support to my channel. Thanks to all my subscribers. If you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers where we discuss on possible trading opportunities and clarify queries on trading ideas. I placed the link in the description section of this video. Please use it. Today we are going to be doing weekly technical analysis on US dollar JPY currency pairs. First we are going to analyze on the last week price actions based on which we'll forecast on the future price actions. I'm in weekly time frame now. The highest level it has gone was at this level. Next highest level was at this level. Presently the current market is testing at this level over here, and the lowest it has gone was here. When we notice the price action overall, it is trading within a range over here. It is on a consolidation. Inside the consolidation also, you can notice that it had a downtrend. Now presently the uptrend has started. We can say that this whole area is in support area and we have a resistance over here, and presently it is on an uptrend. When we do a detailed analysis on the present price action, it has tested the resistance over here, then little retracement happened here. Again it is actually trying to test this resistance over here and try to start its uptrend, but it hasn't succeeded in breaking this resistance. This is information we have. And when we look at the past price action, every time it tries to make a trend reversal, it makes a triple top. Here you can see it makes a triple top pattern, then downtrend starts. Here also you can notice that it made a double top pattern. So after a triple top or a double top, the downtrend will start momentarily, then uptrend starts. So this is the information we have from the past price actions. Let us apply the same method here. Here also you can notice that it is trying to make a double top or triple top pattern. So we can expect the price to be at this point for some more time, then a retracement to start. If it retraces, immediate support is going to be here and trend down and test this support line over here, then a bounce back and start its uptrend. So presently it is on a consolidation and it is forming a double top pattern. We can expect the downtrend to start at any time. It can form a double top pattern or a triple top pattern, then a downtrend to start. If it comes over here, the support level is going to be 110.989. It's the support at present in weekly time frame, and the resistance at present in weekly time frame is 114.215 is the resistance. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame now. When we notice the daily time frame price action, it is very nicely forming a head and shoulder pattern. First shoulder, head, then next shoulder. But on the other hand, when we notice it here, it is forming a very nice double bottom pattern. So when we draw a support line connecting this neckline, it is still holding its uptrend. Sort of a consolidation is going on for now. The highest it can go is up to here or little further also, but it is entering the resistance area over here. If it goes here, there is more chances that it will retrace. Then we can expect the market to start its downtrend. So this is what I'm expecting for next week. If you're not holding any trades for now, wait for it to break this neckline over here or the dynamic support over here. When it breaks this, you can go for a sell position. And the support area in daily time frame is this area. So if the market gives trend reversal, we can expect it to retrace up to this point over here. If it's still stronger, it can still retrace up to this point over here. This is a dynamic support from the weekly time frame. We have marked a red color line. Wait for the trend reversal to happen and take your bearish trade. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame and mark the ranges for next week's trade. So when we analyze the market in hourly time frame, I have drawn a channel pattern over here. The market has gone up, then retraced back, again gone up, again retraced, taken support on this support area over here, again retraced. So from the higher time frame, when we know that it is forming a very nice double top pattern, you can notice it here, and uptrend is going. We can expect it to go up to here or little further also. We can expect the market to retrace and test this support line over here. It needs some energy to break this support line over here. We can expect the trend reversal at any time. And we have a channel pattern also. So the channel pattern is also going on a diagonal downtrend side. Already you can notice that it is already taking a trend reversal over here. I'm expecting it to clear this support line over here. So either way it can retrace a little or take a trend reversal from here, retrace to downside. Let us mark the trading ranges for next week. So even if the market trends up, I'm expecting the highest it can go to this point. Next highest point, this one. Next highest level is going to be here. Next is actually the support or the resistance line will be the next stop, and on the downside this is going to be the first level support. Next support is going to be here. Next support is going to be here, and next support is going to be over here, and then next support is going to be at this level here. Assuming that the price is moving within the channel pattern, we can see the below red color ranges to be respected. Once the market breaks this red color area, rectangle pattern, we can see that downtrend to start going down up to here, and then taking support again on this point also. Next week I'm expecting a bearish market in US dollar JPY. It can retrace a little. Maximum level it can go is up to this red color line, resistance line over here. Then we can see a trend reversal to happen and downtrend to starts. Let us wait and see how price action moves. These values marked in the screens are for reference values. Before entering the trade, please do your own analysis based on which you can decide your own entry and exit points. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, press that like button and share it with your friends.